back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a night routine, but it should be a no talk night routine. So yeah, so currently it is 7:30 I think, and I can't tell you the time, so I'm just telling you it right now. But yeah, it is 7:30 right now, and we are, the more it's, yeah, so you're not going to be able to see me tell the time, but as you see this video start, I will be taking a nap. So that's why I'm getting out of bed, because I'm just done taking a nap. So yeah, because naps are really nice, and I just needed one. So yeah. So yeah, if the video gives you a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I love all of you guys. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So I'm done showering, and it's supposed to be a no sound TikTok. I mean, not TikTok, YouTube video, but I just can't help it. Like, some stuff you guys might not understand, so I just need to talk. But yeah, I'm making a smoothie now. So yeah. Sorry to cut them away. Make a smoothie. But I don't know what to put in it. What fruits? Oh, we have bananas. Oh, banana. Banana. Well, I'm gonna take one because I only need one. It's only for me. Milk. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's all we need. So I got nothing else really. Because I have frozen strawberries in there, but I'm not going to use those because I'm pretty sure my mom wants to have some of those. But yeah. I think it's so plain, I might add another banana. There's just one. And it's just so plain. Oh, one more banana. And I'm going to drink this all. Actually, I think I'm going to have, yeah, we'll just use this whole banana. I was going to say I'm going to have half of this and then just eat the other half of it, but no, never mind, it's okay. Boop. And then we got milk. This is 1%, but I drank 2% milk, but it's okay. Milk added. Okay, let's see if we have, oops. Okay, let's see if we have any frozen foods. Let me see if we have any frozen fruits. I'll be right back. Found berries. These are mixed berries, but I think these might be my parents', but I don't know. So I'm only going to use a little bit of it. Yeah. Ooh, it's going to be so good. I'm only use a little bit of it. Perfect. Okay. Now, we don't have a lid because I don't know where it is. So, we're just gonna take one of these, put it on top. Let's blend this. I'm gonna speed this up. We got a smoothie. It was busting. Busting. I'm gonna go into my room now. Cause that's fine. Turn the kitchen light off. Lock the back door. I literally, like, when I'm home alone, I just lock every door in my house. Okay. I'm gonna have some hot Cheetos. There's a buzzing. Bam. Okay. So with the chunks in there, but I tried blending it, and it just won't go. So we did our best. If you heard that noise in the background, that was my cat. So. Okay. Bam. Boom. Okay. Here to sit down on my bed and go on my phone for a little bit, probably play some Roblox. And I'll see you guys after. Okay, so I'm all done. It is 9:14 and I actually just ate dinner. We had a little bit of a family night because my parents went to Target and they got some games. So we played some games. And I got some new shoes. Yay. So yeah. So I had to go to bed in about an hour and a half. So 10:30. If you guys have not seen my previous videos, then you don't know why. But if you check out my previous videos, you'll see why I have to wake up. Why I have to go to bed at 10:30. So yeah. So I'm gonna sit down, just go on my phone for a little bit, and then we're gonna start getting ready for bed. So yeah. See you guys after. Guys, it's like what, 2 hours after. It's probably like an hour. And I actually just brushed my teeth and did my skincare. And now we're gonna go to bed. So yeah. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.